It's a real windy day again out here today. Always a good indicator. Look at the trees. So while I'm out here today, I'm going to do some active track 6 tests with the Pocket 3. But I've only got my small tripod with me, so they're going to be from the ground looking up, as I don't have my large tripod with me. How's that backlight working with the Pocket 3 there? Just all left in auto. No guesses where the sun is. Let's find a spot to test the active track 6. Here we go. Right, so now I'm just going to double tap the screen. Now my active track's on my face. I try and trick the camera system. As you can see, it's following me nicely now. But now I'm going to be a tree. Yes, that'll show you, DJI. Now try and follow me back out. Oh, ooh, you did it. Well done. You do know what humans look like. Okay, I'm just going to put the Pocket 3 on the floor now. There you go, it's detecting my face. I'm just going to walk. That's about approximately 2 meters away now. Just going to go to the left. I can see that's turning, that's tracking me. And go to the right. That's tracking me nicely. So you passed the tree test. What about the speed test? And they rhyme. Now if I just squat down. Yep. That's not too bad. Obviously the slower you move, the better the tracking system is. I always find with this active track, especially through the years, closer you are, a lot better it is. Obviously further away you are, it can kind of jitter to follow you. As you walk past the frame, it can kind of catch you up. Do you like that? But when it's close like this and you're just talking, it's basically great for people doing vlogs. It really is good, especially with this wireless mic now. I'm just going to set this Pocket 3 up on the bench over here. So I've now connected it to the smartphone, and that's now doing a real good job. Okay, now so the Pocket 3's got my center frame. I can see that through the smartphone. I'm just walking past it at normal pace. I can see that's got me. That's pretty impressive. Now I'm going to disappear into the trees behind just to confuse the camera system. Let's just see if it does that. As you can see, it's completely lost me there. I'm picking the pace up a bit now. A slight jog past it. Is it going to keep me in frame? Not center frame. And then it's slightly messed up a bit. I think it's just great for walking, to be honest. How many scenarios do you put your tripod down and run past it? So I'm still testing the wireless mic too. Like I say, it's really windy. I only do these tests with a windsock on when it is windy. You don't need it on otherwise, if it's indoors especially. Oh look, a rainbow. So that was a quick field test. Testing out the active track 6 on the DJI Pocket 3. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, as I'll be posting lots more in the near future, especially with drones. As I do that for a living, lots of demonstrations coming up in the near future. I'll also be posting a few of my commercial operations from a drone, just to give you a quick insight of what I do. So if you like things like that, if you're interested in tech, travel, GoPro, especially DJI products, I've got quite a lot of those to showcase, so I'll be doing some more demonstrations in the near future. I'll be also posting a little bit of an insight of what I do. So if you're interested in things like this, keep watching. Hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.